Hare Krishna. So today we will talk about an very spiritual app, that is Radha Madhav. So you will go to the Play Store here and you will search for Radha Madhav Japa, and yeah, so you will install it. After you have installed, open it, because I have already installed it. Now I will open it. Yes. Now what you have to do is you have to enter your name. I've already entered my name, but I'll show you from this option, edit profile. I will go to the menu here, then I will go to edit profile. If I suppose I type something wrong in my name, birthday or country, yeah, so I will go to edit profile. But since I have already installed the app, what I'm going to do is I will show you here only in the edit profile. So I will type my name, Aishani Debnath, yeah, and my gender is female. Sorry, I am again correcting my okay, let it be as it is. And I will choose India. Birthday, my birthday, I'll select 8 month February, yeah. Now I will submit it. You can see it appeared here, Aishani Debnath, country India, user ID, my user ID is 19 and my DOB means date of birth is 8 February, as I've put it the input there. You can now, the second option I will show you is my Japa. Go to the menu, my Japa. It's appeared here, so I don't have to do such kind of things because it is already opened here, my Japa tab. Yeah, so you can see many of them have submitted here their Japa accounts. Suppose you did one round today, so I will go here on this submit now. You have not submitted your Japa accounts, I will go here and put 1 because I've done 1 round Japa. So I'll go there, put 1, submit now. So here it appeared as my Japa account, and you can see that after the symbol 1 means I've done 1 round Japa account, but later in the beginning I did 6 rounds more. So you can see here the edit option, click on it and you can put here 7. Yes, it became 262 as I have entered my Japa account. Now the second option I'm going to show you is how to add members to your group. Suppose there are thousands and thousands of users using this app, and you can find your friends only how many rounds they have submitted. So you can just find them and add to your group. Suppose I'm adding Nantu Debnath, Amit Mukherjee and Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Devidasi. I have added these 3 to my group. So I will go to my group. Here you can see that these 3 have appeared in my group, and you can go back. This means yesterday, this means forward. You can't go any further. You can also click on today. You can go 1 month back, 30 days. These 3 will appear, and if I click on this, see the date is also mentioned here. So I will go ahead today because I don't need so much. And here those 3 means my, and those 3 only will appear Japa account, yeah, all members Japa account. Now I will The next thing I'm going to show you is my Japa history. Okay, I'm going that. So here it will show all my Japa rounds. Only my Japa rounds that I have tracked. See, on 9 May means today I've done 7 rounds. On 8 May I've done 1 round, 6 1 round, 2 1 round, 1st May 1 round, 29 April 1 round. So this like this till up to done is 10 March. From 10 March I am using this app, and I've put my Japa account. Yes, now the next point I'm going to show you from the menu option is, go to menu, and here from the useful tag I will show you the daily quotes. Here some people are there who like to read quotes. So here in this app the facility is provided that you can read quotes of Prabhupada. You can read the quotes of Prabhupada. So see, this is today's quotes. Every day there are many different types of quotes. So you can read it. This is very interesting. This is today's quote, which is written by Prabhupada. Now you can read it. Still I'm not reading it. You can read it. Now from the menu tab, the next option I'm going to explain is Ekadashi list. See that the next here are the different types of Ekadashi with their names provided. So you can find all the Ekadashis in this year that is going to happen. So the next Ekadashi is marked here in the yellow color. The next Ekadashi is on May 23, 2021, which is Sunday. So yes, this is a well app. And the next one is you can share it with anyone, and you can also rate it in the Play Store. So I hope you liked the app. Hare Krishna.